trying to see what's still running good. Simple tools and steady hands, reading signs we don't always understand. Is there enough spark left inside, enough to keep the wheels in stride? Every journey needs a start, powered by the steady heart. Check the current, check the glow, see what's strong and what runs low. Every system speaks in time, quiet signals, subtle signs. Sometimes strength is hard to see, hidden in our circuitry, but a careful look can show where the energy needs room to grow. Slow and steady, patient eyes, watching where the power lies, tending to what keeps us going, keeps the inner engine flowing. Check the current, check the glow, see what's strong and what runs low. Every system speaks in time, quiet signals, soul signs.